about the fucking flex.
What's up, guys? I'm out here doing this crazy adventure by myself. I'm already huffing and puffing because it's going uphill. But hopefully I can find some waterfalls and find anything interesting. If I get lost, somebody find this camera, upload it to YouTube, and tag R1 Shots, because it was mine. Sometimes in life, you just gotta go out and explore. If it's by yourself, with your friends, or with anybody, your loved ones, anybody. But today, I don't know. I just felt like being by myself, just getting out to the wilderness that I actually love doing. And I don't know, just getting away from everybody else, to be honest. Which way should I go? That way? Or that way? Then we go to the top. But yeah, like I was saying, you just gotta go out there. Not everybody's gonna support what you do. Not everybody's gonna follow you to the end. Until you start like succeeding in life, which sucks, because it could be either your loved ones that do that to you, your close friends, or even your friends that do that to you. If this is the waterfall, I would be pissed. Let me see if you can see it. Bush, it has a waterfall. If it is, hopefully I can find another one. Take a look. This water's coming from somewhere, so there has to be another waterfall. Let's see if we can find it. Got my water back with me. I got my knife, just in case anything happens. You never know. That was pretty cool, that big old tree. I think it like fell during these times. It was pretty big. The camera doesn't do justice, but it was big. Alright, I'm continuing with my adventure. Still haven't got to the waterfall, but I know there's water somewhere. I keep seeing like little paths to the river. There has to be water somewhere. It's not coming from nowhere. If it is, that's crazy. I don't want to get too close. Alright. On the way up here, I saw like a pack of deers. It was pretty cool. You guys want to check it out? Here you go. Hey, buddy. You guys saw that? That was pretty cool, huh? So that's what I'm trying to get to. It's so fucking cold. It's so cold, guys. It's so fucking amazing. Like, it says it's like 30 feet, like the height, but I don't know. I wonder if I could get on top. I already wear my shoes, so it's gonna be sketchy. I'm gonna just fucking chill here and try up a little bit and then probably head back. We'll see what happens. Hopefully you guys like it. It's more like a vlog, small adventure kind of. I got other plans coming up, but I'm gonna have to wait a little bit for that. But it's gonna be worth it, trust me. This feels so good. Hello, how are you?
Hi.
Hello.
Very well, thanks. How are you?
I'm great.
Good.
I'm glad I fucking found the waterfall. People are so nice over here. So there's a guy over there. He was drawing. The first one I passed by, like, he was just like sitting there on a like tall rock, looking at like some trees, like a small view. And I passed by thinking to myself, like, this guy's like so weird, you know, like, who does that, you know? He's probably telling the same thing back to me, who holds the camera like when they're alone. But anyways, yeah, he was sitting there just like minding his own business. I passed by thinking to myself, you know, this guy's like, he's pretty weird just sitting there, like he might be crazy or something. But once I finished like with the waterfall thing, like I passed by again.
How much farther is it?
It's right there. Like
cool.
2 more minutes. So
All right, great, thanks.
yeah,
get a picture?
Yeah, I did. Appreciate it.
Found him.
Yeah. I kind of figured it was them.
Yeah.
Have a good one. So back to what I was talking about, guys. Like the guy was like just there. The guy was just there, like sitting down, just kind of minding his own business. And I passed by thinking he was crazy. But once I was done with the waterfall, like I passed by again and he was drawing on like some like keypad or whatever. I'm pretty sure you guys know what I'm talking about. But it just shows that you shouldn't judge anybody by what they're doing or by his cover. Just because you never know. That guy might be famous and drawing. I don't know. But that's how you get somewhere. When you're different, when you're not trying to be like everybody else, you actually get somewhere in life and you actually figure out what you really want to do in life. And that's just an example of like, just don't be like everybody else. Just be yourself and figure out who you are first before you actually, start doing something with your life. Because a lot of people just, they go with whatever like their parents say, their best friends say, their friends say. At the end of the day, they're not going to be happy. Like, look at me. I'm pretty happy myself right now. Following this journey. And who the fuck walks by themselves in the middle of the forest without nothing to do, without no destination? I'm just walking, just getting out there. But anyways, guys, that's probably the word of the day for me. Don't judge a book by its cover before you actually read it. Alright guys, I'm back to the car. I think I'm gonna end the vlog right here. Just cause, hold on, let me set you guys down for a bit. There. Get my seatbelts on. Alright. Yeah, I'm gonna end the vlog right here. I'm still working on that prank. I'm just waiting on a couple things to come in the mail. But once I get those things, it's a wrap. I'm releasing that prank. Well, I'm shooting it, then releasing it. But if anything, just continue watching and subscribing and liking my channel, and just join the journey. If you haven't, subscribed yet, be sure to subscribe and like down below. And yeah, I'm gonna end it right here. I'm gonna just head back home. I'm gonna just end the vlog right here. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and just stay tuned for the next one. Follow my Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter. I'll link them down below, and then I'll link the rest of the videos down below. Thank you for watching, guys.